Example number 2 is 4x minus 8 equals 24. First thing that you look for is the equal sign. You put a line down the middle so you can separate the left and the right side. From there, you box in the number and the x on the left side, and on the right side, you circle in the number. From there, you just do the opposite of whatever is now boxed in or circled. The opposite of minus 8 is going to be plus 8. What you do to one side, you do it to the other side. Negative 8 plus 8, it cancels. So we're left with the box, which is 4x. And then 24 plus 8 will give you 32. And then from there, the last step is you divide by the number in the box. So the number in the box, it is a 4. It is a 4. So our final answer is going to be x equals 32 divided by 4. It is going to be 8.